Hello everyone, welcome back to the Phone Museum. Today we're looking at Douyin F22 Pro. Sometimes people call Xiaomi F22 Pro, but it's actually is not directly from the Xiaomi. Xiaomi is selling this product, but it's from the Douyin. Anyways, in the box, look at this. There's a like E equal MC square, like those like physics, mathematics, like those formula. And on the here there's a little Chinese writing and there's a little specs, and that's it. Let's open the box. And in my case, the seller includes some to glass protection and little Type-C to the little earpod-ish earphones, and 5V 2 amps 10W the little wall charger. Unlike Samsung, nothing on the top. There's a device itself. It used to be another film. I just take out the little thingy, but there's a little film. I'm not sure it's provided by the seller or actually they shipping with the film. And they also include little case. There's a SIM card tray, the C to USB Type A cable, and simple little start guide, and everything written in Chinese. When I saw it, the Douyin F21 Pro, about a year and a half ago, I was like, it's pretty cute, but I really want to buy it, but it was not a good spec, so little too expensive for that spec, because that one was have a Helio A22. So I was wait until the price drop. And while I'm waiting, they announced Douyin F22 Pro, which is screen is much bigger. I prefer smaller screen for like this kind of smartphone, this kind of phones, but the spec is significantly improved from Helio A22 to Helio G85. So I was like, I don't like the big screen on this one, but spec is way better. So I just have to grab this one. Yay. Anyways, so what's the difference? So Helio A22 has Cortex A53 quad core clocked at 2 GHz, which is it's kind of very low end. But this one has Cortex A75 dual core clock 2 GHz plus Cortex A55 hexa-core clock on 1.8 GHz. So it's improved a lot, especially single core is improved a lot, and also multi-core, because from quad core to dual hexa cores, which is octa core. Also, it has little bit faster charging. F21 Pro has 7.5 watt charging speed. This one have a 10 watt charging speed. And screen definitely much bigger compared to 2.8 inch to 3.5 inch. And resolution 480 by 640 to 640 by 960, which is same resolution as iPhone 4 or 4S. And the size is same as the first iPhone, for iPhone 3G, 3GS, iPhone 4, and 4S. So here's a little comparison. So right now this is iPod Touch, which is 4 inch, and you can see about like width, about same height. Of course, this is 4 inch, 16 by 9, 4 inch. So this is a little bit taller, but same width. And this one has a keyboard, so compared to a these day smartphone, I mean, it's not a these day, but you know, the 18 by 9 inch, 18 by 9 ratio, you can see is a little bit narrower, but it's as similar height as these day smartphones. This one is a 5.84 inch, by the way, 18 by 9. Yeah, so it's not the smallest device in the world. And let's talk about a little bit outside. There's a receiver and there's a light sensor, and there's a, is that a home button? Hold on. When you unlock, you need to click this one and this one. Oh, in here it's work as a menu button. Okay, I think this one is either home or menu button, depends on the inside of the application. Oops, what did I? Ah, you can just call it right away. And do you have some? Ah, so when you long press this one, you go to the music player. Each one ever? Aha, okay. We can go over those kind of stuff later. And just let's look at some basic app, message app. Nothing special, I guess. Oh, this is Chinese keyboard. How can I change to English? I think I have to learn about the keyboard first. Oh, this file. Let's go to setting. And you can see this using Android. Actually, I had few devices able to update to Android 12, but I never did update. So this is actually first device with the Android 12 for me. So I'm a little excited about it. And there's a little clock apps. So everything translate to English, but I guess hour, minute, and second doesn't translate into English. So yeah, let's go to camera. Just basic camera app. Wait a second. I saw something. I thought I saw that little green bubble. There's a bunch of mode, timer. I'm not sure what is this one. Interesting. Calculator. Oh, which is we're designed with this keypad. So 2 plus 2 divided by 5 times 3 minus 1 equal. And there's percentage. Okay, 25, 12. This is negative, this is 0.5 plus 2, 4. I mean, yeah, it works. Weather, okay, gallery, empty. Yeah, so pretty nice and simple. Phone, I guess. I will try use this phone in the future, and let's go in detail later. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you have a wonderful day. Thank you.